Gonna do a quick walk around of the 1948 Ford F-4 Ratrod Patina truck. All the stainless on the truck, the factory Ford emblems and trim, it's all in good shape all the way around. Hood, both of the F-4 emblems are intact. That's almost unheard of. The running board's in great shape. Cab horn on the right side, solid. Got a little bit on the bottom of that fender coming through there. Pretty solid truck. Of course, the steel's a lot better than the new stuff anyway. Same on the bottom of that fender. I got a little bit on the back of this one here. Nothing real significant there. Got new door handles both sides. All the glass in this truck is new except for the 2 vent windows. Front windshield wiper works. Rear window's in good shape. Solid on that. While I'm walking around here, this has got the 10 22.5s on the rear. Fifth wheel, it's just blocked off simply there. You won't pay any road tax if you drive it like that. Again, the other window's in great shape. Door handle's new. Gas cap's new. A lot of new stuff on this thing. Doors work and close like a tank. You can see in the pictures a lot of the stuff about the headliner and things like that. But truck's pretty solid. Door shut good. Of course, being a Chevrolet, got that 355 with a 400 transmission. A little bit cold natured, but starts up pretty good and runs good. All of the electrical is new on this truck and works. Signal lights front and rear. New gauge package, pictures of all that. South Carolina, it needs air conditioner here. It does not have power steering. If you're thinking of letting your grandmother or your child drive this, probably not the truck for you. It needs power steering and air to be complete. Had a guy look at this thing, and he drives a 2016 F-150, and he didn't understand why this didn't drive like that 2016. But it's a rat rod. It's a solid